I'm going to cut 15, 16-inch pine, ponderosa pine, with my 7901, 7900. It's a Makita Dolmar, same brand. Uh, Home Depot rental. They sell them off, and I put a big bore kit on it. Then in the next is going to be a MS 461, untouched, just stock as stock can be. And the last one will be my 660 that has the highway big bore kit on it that makes it like 99 cc's. So let me know what you think. Here we go. So there was a couple knots. I think one of the first or second cuts that the Makita did hits one of these knots. These really make a difference if you've ever cut and come into one of these. It's a branch. Everyone knows what a knot. Not everyone, but a branch that grew out causes a knot. Usually really hard. Has a lot of sap and stuff in it. So there you have it. The 3 saws.